How to archive your post on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to archive your posts on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. For example, this is my profile on Instagram. I'm gonna click on my post. This post, I wanna archive this post. All I need to do is click on those 3 points up there, like you see, and now click on archive. Wait a minute, and now I have no post yet because that was my only post on my profile. Now to turn it back, all I need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on archive. Now click on stories archive and choose posts archive and click on the post. Click on those 3 points and click on show on profile. And this is it. This is my post. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.